BioTHOP twine installation. Hop grows as a climbing plant, so commercial hop production requires a trellis system. Wooden or concrete poles are used to enable the growth of plants to climb up to 7 meters above ground. The poles are joined together by an extensive wirework grid, which is firmly anchored into the ground. Each year in April, around 2 weeks after cutting the hop rhizome at the ground level, growers provide support to climbing hop plants before their shoots arise, looking for support to grow up. But firstly, twine has to be prepared in a right way, so at twining there are no problems or delays. The twine is packed in bobbins, and for its installation it should be pre-cut to a length of about 1 meter more than the height of the wire trellis. For this purpose, a special spindle with circumference of about 8 meters is used. Several twines from the bobbins are placed on the spindle, and by winding them, we get a bundle of twines. To facilitate further manipulation and to prevent knotting twine in a bundle during manipulation, a bundle of twines is placed in a protective foil or a tube with diameter of 170 mm. One of the BioTHOP project objectives is to replace polypropylene twine with the BioTHOP PLA twine that has for a hop industry similar physical characteristics. The installation of plant supporting material, the twines, begins with a tractor with a high podium attached. The 2 to 4 seasonal workers tie twines to the top of the wirework grid. Each worker has his own bundle of twine, which is placed in the reach belt to enable sliding of the twine from the bundle. Workers tie the twine with a special hop knot. The property of the knot is that it is simple and it shrinks strongly under load and is then very difficult to untie. This procedure takes place at a speed of 1.5 km per hour. Usually they knot 2 twines per each plant. In the following no windy days, fixing of the twine in the soil is done by workers who make a loop at the bottom end of the twine. Afterwards, this loop is pushed into the soil with the help of the metal stick about 10 cm deep. Two twines are fixed for each hop plant in a so-called V system. The twine should not be fixed directly to plant root system, the rhizomes, so as not to damage them. Optimal, both twines would be 5 to 10 cm away from the main part of the rhizomes. Then, manual training of vines on a twine follows when hop shoots are around 0.5 meters long. Training of vines onto twines is a hand-working procedure that substantially influences the quantity and quality of hops. We choose equally long and good shoots. On average, 6 to 10 vine shoots are trained per plant, so 3 to 5 per twine, depending on a variety, age and density of plants, while other shoots are cut and removed by seasonal workers afterwards. It is also recommended that the twine is tightly fixed and slightly at an angle, so the obliged installation allows easier plant treatments during the growth season. In a case of vertical installation, the plants namely hang in the inter-row space. In such a case, during a hop field cultivation, a tractor passage with equipment attached might damage or even tear the plants. This video was made with a contribution of the EU LIFE program.